If you want a rice pudding that is more elegant and refined, then this is the recipe for you. This is not the chunky, grainy version you're used to. We're using rice powder and a hand mixer to get a texture that is completely smooth and velvety, almost like a high-end custard. To take it even further, we're flavoring it with a delicate mix of vanilla and orange flower water. And instead of just serving it plain, we're topping it with some cane sugar and giving it a nice brulee for a thin, crunchy caramel crust. To a pot, add 1 egg yolk, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, half a tablespoon of orange flower water, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 60 grams of rice powder, and 500 milliliters of milk. Whisk this until well combined, then place the pot on medium heat. Continue to whisk periodically until the mixture starts to boil. Then turn the heat to low and whisk continuously for 3 minutes or until the mixture becomes thick and creamy. Remove the pot from the stove and add in 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Now blend this until it's nice and smooth. Add in 1/4 cup of chopped pistachios and mix until well combined. Divide this into dishes and then place plastic wrap directly on the surface of the pudding. This prevents a film from forming on top. Let the pudding cool for a few minutes before placing in the fridge to chill for 1 to 2 hours. You can serve as is, but I highly recommend adding some toppings. Some basic toppings are cinnamon and nuts, but if you really want to impress some guests or your taste buds, add a layer of raw cane sugar and give it a nice brulee. Ooh la la! That's exactly how you turn a simple classic into a gourmet dessert. On Ooh La La, we provide the exact measurements and clear instructions to make cooking easier for you. If you're tired of the guessing game, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.